close to me, baby. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
We are here today.
We're here.
Finally.
Today, we are going to be doing a collaboration. I'm going to be doing my makeup, and Juan is going to be doing his makeup. So let's get started.
Yes. I'm going to be doing a smoky eye.
I'm going to freeball it. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. So let's do it.
I'm going to start with my brows. I don't even highlight underneath the brow with a lighter concealer a lot of times. It usually is like the same color as their foundation.
I mean, I don't even know why these girls even bother at this point.
Give it up.
Whoa there. When you mess with Kurt, you go in the grinder.
Good burger.
Good job.
I used to want some of that ad sauce.
Mm-hmm.
And my no burgers looked kind of nasty, but I still wanted it, especially when I was hungry and I was watching.
And toffee.
It's kind of hard to disguise that lighter concealer when you clean the top of the brows. If that makes sense.
It doesn't.
Period.
Period.
Free JT.
Sweet.
Okay.
You know what? I need to color correct. I'm going to use the orange in there. If you can see. Perfect burnt orange.
Next one. Oh.
I'm going to get my eyes together.
I want to try that P. Louise base everyone talks about.
Use the mousse, which is a brown on my, oh, that's pigmented, on my crease.
I'm about to set my eyelids now.
Why are you pointing at
Toffee for my eyebrows and my eyelids as a base for my eyeshadow. I don't drink water.
Ugh.
I wash my body and my face with the same towel. Skin clear.
What you on?
I just finished basing my eyelids. That's your favorite transition color?
Oh no, I have a throwback. You better know what to do. Oh, hold on.
I'm using the, what powder is this? RCMA no color powder to set the concealer I placed on my eyelids. The Jaclyn Hill Palette, of course, all the beautiful colors in the world.
All of them.
I'm going.
You got McDonald's money?
Call your daddy and ask him can he pay for it. He do one good thing, y'all think he's Superman.
Ooh, that's funny. I'm about to go in.
You gotta gradually get to the sexiness of the smoky eye. You gotta build it up. Oh, I wanna make love
tonight. It sounds like a cat was being strangled. That's pretty. I am going to put it in my outer V area. Yep.
I'm using this Pretty Vulgar, the ink Blacklist gel eyeliner. I'm using this as my base for my smoky eye. Finish it off after I do my face.
Ready to conceal, highlight, and contour.
Can't really see, can you? I'm gonna spray something on my face before I apply it.
And he sprayed me too. I'm laughing at your face.
I was laughing kind of at my face too because I knew what I did.
And to do my cheekbones. And blend. For the fortune. Fame, the power, yeah.
Time for foundation. 420 Fenty Beauty. No.
Yes.
Glasses.
Hi.
Beyonce. Beyonce?
Look how orange you look, girl. Something you don't know nothing about.
I know. I know you know, so I'm not even.
I ain't tripping. Good. As long as you're not tripping, because you're not elementary.
I do want to make sure everything is blended. I am not using concealer.
I ain't got no type. Why?
Because I haven't been using it lately. I just been using the layer foundation.
Tip of my nose.
I'm going to contour with the darkest shade in here. Just a powder contour.
Period.
Period.
Whoa, man.
Desserts. Because I like my desserts. I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to set it. I'm going to set it with the Mario spray. I'm going to use it. Usually I would use Morphe setting, continuous setting spray or the Fix Plus. Let's try this.
Hey, why mine didn't show up like that?
I sprayed my face. She not showing what? Look at me highlight my cute as well.
You spit. Are you a fan of the over the lip liner method?
Depends how over the lip you're gonna go because some people do too much.
I'm one of those people. Cause I can't see these haters. I just see the green. I just see the what
you doing right there?
Hey, you almost done too, right?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, I see you, Juan say. Oh, she bad, slim thick.
Is around you. I love you. I gotta stop laughing. I gotta have a resting bitch face. That smells good.
Queef. Oh yes. You finished?
We are finished, guys.
Okay.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yes. Give us a hug. Sit on mama lap. Bye, people. Blending brush. I'm just gonna stick it in here and see what I can come up with. Let's see.
While you guys were looking, I took it upon myself to take a little bit of Connie, which is like this plum, and I added also to the outer V along with that sunset. Just giving you guys an update, so I'm like just not over here. Do do do.
that's not really working out. So